What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel, man. I told you we had something coming in the channel, man. Usually I go for projects, but why go for a project when you can get this beauty, man? If y'all remember right, I told you it was not gonna be my last drop, man. Wanna introduce to y'all new baby 56 Chevy Bel Air, 2-door convertible, fully restored. Man, I'm not gonna lie, everybody that follows me on social media, I know everybody been calling my boy Lowe's in the drop, Carlos, to see if I was doing fine or what was wrong with me, because I put my cars for sale. Man, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, man, I didn't want to say anything. I kept it quiet. Y'all the first ones to know. Hopefully I release this video later on today. I'm not gonna post anything on social media. That way I can see what we got, man. Again, 56 Chevy Bel Air convertible. Man, she's a beauty. She was on her way to the auction, and my mechanic, it was the one that is working on my glass house. They were gonna get everything ready so she can be good for auction. We were talking numbers, and here she is, man. I just done picked her up. I went to pick up the title and pick up the car. As you see, I'm driving the car. Oh my god, she's a beauty, man. But let me stop talking. So again, man, 1956 Chevy Bel Air 2-door convertible, man. Whew, man, I feel some kind of way. I got some pictures whenever I saw it, the car. It had the top up. To be honest with you, I just picked up the title, I just picked up the car, and the first thing I did was drop the top, man. I'm gonna miss my 75, but man, you cannot really compare, man. This is a dream car. A dream car come through right now. Like, I never thought I would be able to own this car at my age, you know. I thought I had to wait until I got older. I don't know, man. I don't know, but here it is. But here she is, man. My wife, she always wanted one. We got the opportunity. We sold the Caprice, and here she is, man. So again, if you follow me on social media and you were wondering why I sold the cars, or sold the car, we decided we're keeping the wagon. I cannot sell the wagon, so we're gonna keep the wagon. But it was nothing bad, man. I just didn't want to put it out there until it was a done deal. I seen the car, we had talked, but you know, it was not a for sure deal. It took me about a week and a half to come up with the cash, and you know, they were just holding her at the shop. She's supposed to go to the auction next week, and they told me they gave me until this Friday to come up with the money. So it's Saturday and we're at the house, man. Here we goes. Again, thank you for watching, and